AirSim Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. AirSim isn't just a flight simulator. You won't believe the realism and flexibility it offers for drone and aircraft enthusiasts. Most people get this wrong by assuming high-quality simulators cost hundreds of dollars, but AirSim is completely free and open source, making professional-grade simulation accessible to everyone. AirSim works on both Windows and Linux platforms and integrates with Unreal Engine for realistic environments and physics. You won't believe how detailed the flight mechanics are. Winds, drag, and vehicle dynamics are modeled accurately, letting you practice complex maneuvers without risking real hardware. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of a free simulator. They often forget the time and money saved on real-world trials and training. For developers and engineers, the real value comes from customization. You can simulate drones, cars, or even hybrid vehicles, and integrate AI agents to test autonomous control algorithms. Education institutions benefit from using AirSim to teach robotics and AI concepts in a practical, interactive environment. In conclusion, AirSim pricing is free, but the platform offers unmatched value through realistic physics, customization, and AI integration. By investing your time to learn and simulate, you go from beginner to advanced in flight or autonomous system training without spending a dime. AirSim is more than a simulator. It's a learning and development ecosystem.